Hi and welcome. This is Jules Muller, founder and CEO of Chicks Connect, and we are on May, week 2, organizing my workspace. Whether you have a business, a passion for nonprofit, or a hobby, you have a workspace. If you don't have a workspace, you need one, even if it is portable. So today we're going to focus on organizing that workspace so it is completely set up for you to be successful. We would love to see a before and after picture in the main Facebook group if you think about posting one. Identify your focus and write it here. Examples: my office, my workbench, my portable work bag that I carry to the dining room table. List the activities that take place in your workspace in the first column. Things like phone calls, emails, or potting plants if it happens to be a hobby. Then list the necessary supplies for you to carry out each activity. Look at your supply list and circle or highlight the things that you need to purchase or find for your workspace. These are the items that are necessary for you to carry out your work, your passion, or hobby. Now think about the things that inspire you. Perhaps it's a photo of your family or a famous quote. Maybe you have created a dream board and you want to hang that in your workspace. Take a moment to think about the things that inspire you, motivate you, and help you step into your creative, intelligent self. List those below. Now envision yourself working in your dream workspace where everything is exactly where you want it to be. Your surroundings are inspiring and you feel elevated and excited to work each day. What elements are missing that you could include to help close the gap between the reality of your workspace and your dream workspace? As you are setting up your workspace, put the most used items within arm's reach. Think of yourself as a chef who needs to continually stir the food on the stove, and she needs the spices within arm's reach. Look at your workspace with fresh eyes and remove things that you don't use or are not inspiring and replace them with high-use items. Do a deep cleaning of your workspace as well. You may encounter some unfinished projects while organizing your workspace. That's okay. Next week our activity is project follow-through. So set those aside and know that we will visit them next week. What are some other tips and ideas for organizing a workspace? Share your ideas with your chapter and add to your list. Have a super week. I love seeing your photos and hearing about your organizing successes. Much love, Jules.